Welcome to our channel. I'm glad to be part of our 5 facts. Welcome back, nature enthusiasts. Today, we are here to explore the diet of one of the most common and charming birds around the world, the sparrow. I'm your host, your name, and in this episode, we will take a closer look at what these delightful little birds love to eat. Sparrows are small, sociable birds found in a wide range of habitats, including urban areas, gardens, and countryside landscapes. Their distinctive chirping and frequent visits to our backyards have made them familiar feathered friends to many of us. Now, let's uncover the culinary preferences of sparrows. These avian beings are classified as granivorous, which means their diet primarily revolves around seeds and grains. Their beaks are perfectly adapted for cracking open seeds, allowing them to access the nutritious contents within. One of the main staples in a sparrow's diet is various types of seeds. They feast on seeds from grasses, weeds, and a variety of plants commonly found in their natural environments. Sunflower seeds are particularly irresistible to sparrows, and you'll often spot them perched on bird feeders, eagerly pecking away at these nutrient-packed treats. Additionally, sparrows enjoy munching on millet, oats, wheat, and corn. These seeds provide them with essential nutrients, including carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, vital for their energy requirements and overall well-being. While seeds form the backbone of their diet, sparrows are not solely vegetarians. During the breeding season and when raising their chicks, they supplement their diet with insects and other invertebrates. Insect consumption provides them with an additional protein source required for the growth and development of their young. Sparrows can be seen hunting for small insects, such as beetles, caterpillars, ants, and grasshoppers, among others. Their foraging skills are fascinating to observe as they dart through shrubs and grassy areas in search of their tiny prey. Apart from seeds and insects, sparrows occasionally indulge in fruits and berries, especially during the warmer months when these treats are abundant. They relish berries from various shrubs, including blackberries, raspberries, and elderberries. While fruits and berries are not the primary components of their diet, they do provide sparrows with essential vitamins and minerals, enriching their overall nutritional intake. In conclusion, sparrows are versatile eaters, with a diet primarily centered around seeds and grains. Their ability to adapt to a wide range of environments and food sources contributes to their widespread presence across the globe. So, the next time you spot these cheerful little birds in your garden or park, remember the diversity of foods they enjoy, from seeds and insects to the occasional fruity delight. That's all for today's episode. If you found this information fascinating, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content about the wonderful world of nature. Until next time, happy bird watching. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Your support means a lot to me.